Clean your lungs and stop coughing. Natural recipe to clean your lungs and stop coughing. Today I'm preparing a syrup to clean the lungs and expel secretions from the bronchi with simple ingredients that you should easily have at home. You know that annoying cough that seems to have no way out? Or worse, what if it's bronchitis? You can reassure yourself, because there is a natural way out to help you. And here we go. I'm going to peel a banana, preferably use a ripe banana. Mash the banana in a bowl. While I mash it, tell me where in the world you are watching me. After mashing the banana, pour 200 ml of boiling water over the banana. Stir and let rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, strain the drink. While I cook, drop me a heart emoji in the comments so I know you're following along through this video. This part of the banana we are not going to use, just the liquid. After straining, pour the drink into a glass and add a spoonful of honey. Remember to make sure the honey is of good quality. Yes, bananas are great for coughing. In a few minutes you will feel relief. Banana is rich in vitamin B6, vitamin C, potassium, iron and soluble fiber. Take the drink in the morning and in the evening. It is a natural remedy to clean the lungs, help with bronchitis and defend against viruses and bacteria. In addition, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is also one of the best strategies to keep the body's natural defense system always strong and efficient, and therefore it is recommended not to smoke, that you eat healthy foods, practice light or moderate physical exercise regular. Control your weight, sleep 7 to 8 hours a night, avoid stress and alcohol consumption. These habits must be followed by everyone throughout their lives. Not only at times when the person is sick or easily sick. So, did you like today's tip? So, tell me how many stars this video deserves and leave your likes here for me. So, you help me to keep bringing you new tips every day. If you watch me from outside Brazil, leave me an emoji with the flag of your country. And if you watch me here from Brazil, leave me an emoji with the Brazilian flag. I wait for you in the next video. Goodbye.